Now that I know it works, I'm going to go ahead and clean it up. I'm going to use the Dust Off Electronics Duster, spray everything down, then I'm going to use the Blow Off, see, Dust Off and Blow Off. Electronic cleaning wipes, these are good in everything, so it'll work here, here, there, works everywhere. So, first off, so I'm just going to use the first cloth here, and instead of starting on the outside, I'm going to start on the inside and get everything in here done. I'm not going to do much in here because there's a foam pad back there, so I'm just going to wipe this. Like I said, this is good on pretty much any surface, which is why these things are amazing. They're cheap, they're, you know, efficient, so... So other than going ahead and maybe wiping it down a little bit more in this area and here, take some Windex, put it on the glass because that stuff did leave a little bit of a residue. Other than that, I mean, that's pretty much all I can really do. So, I mean, it's never going to look like new, but it still functions perfectly. So, that's how you refurbish a printer. Thank you for watching.